I'm George McCranie, DUI, criminal defense, personal injury, and family-based immigration attorney with offices in Douglas and Valdosta, Georgia. Today I am proud, happy to announce that my newest book, which is The Authority on DUI Defense, the second edition, has been published and released. Now, the original was a #1 bestseller when it came out back in 2013, and now we've updated that information from 2013 to 2019. And I tell you, I'm so glad to get it out there because it's got a lot of great information. It's going to help a lot of people. And that's what I want to do, is I want to get this information out to help folks all over the state of Georgia that's been charged with a DUI or crime here in Georgia. Okay. Now, I do want to thank my publisher. My publishers, we published that up in Duluth, Georgia, and they are great people. They're the best folks to work with you've ever seen. I really want to thank Gary and Adam. They are top-notch folks, #1 people, and can put up with a procrastinating author like myself. So thanks, guys. I really appreciate everything y'all have done. Now, the 2013 book, The Authority on DUI Defense, it explains the entire process of a DUI investigation here in Georgia. It goes through phase 1, which is the officer's observation of your driving. It goes through phase 2, which is the officer's personal contact with you. And it also includes phase 3, which is a standardized field sobriety test that they want people to take on the side of the road. Now, the 2019, the second edition of the book, updates the 2013 original book with new information and includes chapters on Georgia's new breath testing machine, or I say new, it's been out a couple years, the Intoxilizer 9000, and it explains some of the problems with this machine and the problems that the state's having with it and ways that it cannot, or it's not accurate. Okay. Also, it includes information on Georgia's implied consent law and on administrative license suspension hearings that they have here in Georgia. And this information is very important because let's say you have a DUI, what's called a DUI refusal, where you don't take the official state's test and you don't understand when they give you the form, it's a DDS 1205, and you don't understand that you've got 30 days to request a hearing in writing, and if you don't, they will suspend your license on a DUI refusal for 12 months, no way to drive. No permit of any kind is available if it's suspended at an ALS hearing for refusal. All right. The only way that you can get your license back within 12 months is either to win the DUI at a trial, have the DUI reduced down to something other than a DUI, or basically to have that charge dismissed. And those are pretty hard to do now in Georgia. Now, as good as the book is and as great an info as it gives out, it's not a replacement for an experienced DUI criminal defense attorney here in Georgia. Okay. Remember, if you're convicted of a crime in Georgia, it will never come off of your criminal history and it cannot be expunged. So anytime you're facing a criminal charge, you really need to take this seriously. I hope the Authority on DUI Defense second edition gives a lot of people valuable information that they need. And also remember, just like all my other #1 bestsellers, like Protect and Defend, The Authority on DUI Defense, the original, the first edition, Your Path to Freedom, those #1 bestsellers, my other books, The Truth About Your Georgia Criminal Case, and After the Crash, just like all of those books, we donate the proceeds from these books to charity. We don't make a dime. All right, we donate that to charity and try to help as many people here in the state of Georgia as we can. So if you'd like a free copy, we sort of got a limited release right now. If you'd like a free copy of the book, feel free to stop by either our Douglas office or our Valdosta office. You can find the addresses online. Stop by. We'll be glad to give you a free copy of the book as long as we've got those extra copies. We'll be glad to get them to you. But I am so proud to get this book out there with this new updated information because I really think it's going to help a lot of people. If you have any questions about a DUI criminal case, a personal injury case where you've been seriously injured, or you have a family immigration issue, feel free to give us a call. We'll help you get the information that you need to answer your questions. You can reach us at 833-927-6227, or you can go online and get a lot of information from our website at McCranielawfirm.com. And again, I appreciate y'all watching. I'm so proud to get this out, and if you'd like a free copy, stop by our office. We'll get you a free copy as long as they last. Thank y'all.